Hey there, welcome to lesson 2. Once we become adults, we can sometimes get so wrapped up in this whirlwind that is life that we neglect our inner child. So for this lesson, think back to your childhood and try to remember at least 3 things that you used to do when you were younger, when you were in your adolescence, that you absolutely loved doing. Something that you could easily spend hours doing if you had the chance to. Were you a kid who loved playing with dinosaurs? Or were you a kid who loved to write short stories and then read them to your family? This activity may not seem like it's conducive to creating a life you love, but I promise it is. Throughout our adult lives, we usually have things that we loved to do as children resurface from time to time. It could be the smallest instance in your work or your personal life. When I first started my journey to creating a life that I loved, I noticed that I wasn't finding joy or fulfillment in my everyday life, but mainly in my career. I remember that during one of my lowest points, and while I was working at jobs I didn't like, I would often think to myself, I wish I was doing something music related, or video related, or travel related, because those are all things that I loved doing as a child. So take a few moments and then write down 3 things that you loved doing as a child, 3 things that really made you happy. And then try to find a little time in your everyday life to incorporate some of those hobbies again. I'll see you in the next lesson.